Metal on scanner?
I can't
I
tell.
don't think so. Might want to call it in anyway, because this is a big one.
There it is.
It's on the ground. Not gonna lie, I kind of want to see a puny car thrown in the air.
Shut up. That's it right there. She's in the bathroom.
Cool.
That is awesome. Holy cow.
That thing's a half mile away from us. That is.
Yeah, it is.
There comes the wind. I got that for a second.
Holy cow. I'm just looking
I'm
at.
going. I don't want to go. That was cool.
That was awesome.
I'm sorry, but
And here comes the rain. Looks like that's about it. End of the storm's just down there. I said end of the storm's just down there.
That was cool.
I'm staying out of here for a while.
I kind of want to go down there and see it.
Right? Like, I don't want to risk my phone getting too damaged.
Dude, screw the phone. I want to see it. That was amazing.
That was awesome. Is it?
Maybe we need to head home. I said, no, stay and sprinkles a little bit.
That was cool. There they go.
It's cross 1300 on
There they come.
Yep.